Look at that. Look how bright that is. Come on, son. The sun's going away. Come on, son. Here it comes. Wow, is that bright? Almost looks like a heart to me. In between the trees. Oh, not now. Here comes the snow again. My truck's probably buried. Oops, I dropped my speaker. Isn't that cool? Oh, there it went. Look at the clouds. They shape, forms. They curl. Oh, look, we got blue skies over here. Oh, wow, that's cool. Snow clouds are going away. See the blue from the other video? Okay, cool. So it's only cloudy over here. Look at how that cloud is shaped. That's different. Almost looks like a beak. See it? Right here. See that cloud, how that's shaped? It's different. See it? Okay, I see a vision. I'll say bird. In between the trees, almost forming an eye. It's going away now. Oh, I gotta get outside. See the clouds. See the faces. There's the sparrow. Look. You guys think I'm nuts. See the eye. It's going away though. I caught it. Birds. They see birds in the clouds. But look at the blue sky over here. So, whatever it is. Oh, there's the gray. But we got blue skies. Blue skies coming. Blue sky's coming. Oh, it almost looks like an eagle. See it right there? Oh, you can't see it. Anyhow, I can't point them out. You gotta see. Anyhow, I see many things. Look at that. That is so cool. We got blue skies. Blue skies coming. That means the winter is going. Over 3 minutes now. There's the sun. I'm just looking all around to see when the sun goes away what's there. Look straight above. I can't point. I see. Oh God, this is killing my back. I totally need a better camera than an iPhone. Yeah. Yes, I'm in the woody part of Waterford, Michigan. The clouds are moving fast. Okay, I gotta come on here on the screen. The screen really screws up my view in the sun. I gotta go, guys. My back is really killing me. I gotta stop.